Hey guys, Jason from Berry Scoop here. Had a few requests to do a video walkthrough or review of the Wired app that came out in the App Store yesterday for the iPad. So let's get right into it. First screen comes up, kind of psychedelic, crazy colors. That's cool. Cover of the magazine. Looks like normal standard cover, what you'd get just from a magazine off the shelf. If you see here, there's a play button, and when you hit it, press it, it breaks into a preview of Toy Story 3. I'd have to say that's probably the most impressive thing about this whole entire application slash magazine, because that's really what it is that it is interactive all the way throughout. As you would imagine, gesture swipe to change pages. Here's a letter from the editor talking about how they use Adobe, they love Adobe, it's simple for them. On and on and on. That war continues. When you tap on the screen, you have a few different options here. One of them is you're able to zoom through the magazine, kind of see where you're at. You release, it goes straight to that page. Go all the way back here. You could also hit a button up in the corner which will lay out the magazine, and when you get to articles, you actually scroll up or down to go through pages. We'll go back here, and like on this article here, that's actually the second page of the article. So Rise of the Machines, you want to read the article, scroll down, you get the rest of it. It's pretty neat. It's definitely a different way of interacting with stuff. You have a lot of ads. I know magazines have a ton of ads in them as well, but when you're scrolling through one page at a time, it just seems like there's a ton more ads in this app than in a magazine you'd buy off the newsstand. But like I said, that's probably just because you're scrolling through one screen, one page at a time. You could also click, which will take you to a web page or whatnot, let you know you're going to leave the app. We'll get back out of that. You have all credits. Thank you, thank you, thank you. More ads. More ads. Let's get to some actual material. Alright, here's one of the coolest things that took me by surprise. I wasn't sure what exactly was going to happen here. Just reading about the invaders of Mars, different time frames in which we discovered stuff on Mars or something happened with it. Then I noticed a swipe to see a history of Mars missions. So once you come in here and you actually interact with it, you could keep the globe spinning and articles pop up that'll tell you something that happened on that day. If you want it to stop, you just press it again. Pretty cool. It really is. More ads. Say click here for video and more. I thought maybe we'd get an Iron Man 2 video right in the app. Not so. More interactive articles. I'd say the neatest thing about it is it's a magazine we've all read and we all like. But the simple fact that you can now touch it and interact with it and almost in a way be a part of it is pretty cool. It's basically what the iPad is in essence. You're able to interact with things a lot more now just via the touch. You have your index here also, so you're able to scroll through. If you heard about a story, someone told you about a story or something to read, make sure you read in the magazine, go through and find it by page. And that's basically a general overview. Well, so that's basically a general overview of the Wired app for the iPad. Again, this is Jason Cipriani with Berry Scoop. You guys have a good one.